Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Reese number DB590AP. This is a door shoe, a U-shaped door bottom or door shoe with a pile and what they call with extender. And the extender are these two features to the aluminum extrusion here and here. This is for an 1 3/4 thick door and is in a mill aluminum finish. First of all, the finish, the AP. The A means mill aluminum, and then the P, since we're talking about the part number, means pile. The DB in the part number means door bottom, and the 590 is representative of this profile. You can get the DB590 in either a C finish for clear anodized, D finish for dark bronze anodized, and G finish for gold anodized. When you put the P in there, you're going to get the pile insert. It's normal that it comes a little bit long. Okay, very typical. You'll just trim that to length when you are doing your installation. Dimensionally, now let's go over it. There is an image below this video showing most of the important dimensional properties. As we said earlier, it's for an 1 3/4 door. Okay, the outside face is basically 1 1/4, 1 7/32. The overall, it's basically 1 15/16 or 1 7/8. They don't give the dimension for the small side, but that is about 5/8. They don't give the projection of the pile, which I wish they would. Looks like you're about 3/16, something in that range. Gray pile is going to be common for these inserts. You don't see the pile at all. This will be used on really any sort of door where you need to pick up the dimension from the extender down to the bottom of the pile when you're going to be in the 7/16 of an inch range or 3/8. Nothing really greater than 7/16 is going to work, and I'd say you would ideally want to be 3/8 of an inch so that this will compress nicely and still work very effectively. This is available, forgive me, before we move on, you're going to use this anywhere where that dimension is going to be compatible with what you're working on. If you had a hollow metal door with a 1/4 inch threshold, 1/4 inch rise, you could certainly use this. If you had a standard 3/4 undercut, you'll need to pull it down a little bit. But where you're going to be looking to use this, of course, is going to be on aluminum storefront doors, residential applications like this client. It's going to be a residential application where that dimension works perfectly. Now, regarding the length, these are listed in the site in all the common lengths, every common length, everything from 2 foot to 8 foot, generally in 6-inch increments. We can accommodate, we will accommodate happily custom lengths. If you need a custom length, by all means let us know. Just order the next longest piece or pieces and indicate in the comment field what length you'd like for us to cut the material back to. Now, the reasoning is this. If you had to take this 48-inch piece and cut it down to, say, 42-inch, you would eliminate that slotted hole. The next one's all the way over here. And speaking of that hole, screws are included in a complementary finish. You're going to want the slotted holes from the factory, and here's why. Not every sill is level. Not every door is plumb. When you're pre-drilling the holes for the screws, that drill bit has a tendency to walk a little bit before it pierces in if you've not used a center punch. The ability to tailor that ever so slightly on the bottom of the door generally allows you to significantly increase the effectiveness of your seal or to avoid a near mishap with having to move it over and drill a new hole and things of that nature. So if you order a custom length, will not only locate that first slotted hole at the proper distance from the edge, but the proper center to center as well. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up all things Reese related that we sell on our website. A link to the manufacturer's website, so all the products we sell, a link to the manufacturer's website, but a link to the product catalog. The short version or the summary of Reese is this: excellent customer service, excellent technical support, excellent shipping lead times, excellent dark bronze anodized. I love their dark bronze anodized. There's also something else. It's more value for the dollar, in my opinion. Here's how I know. When I take a threshold and I weigh it, or a door bottom and I weigh it, it weighs more, it's heavier than their competition, which means their extrusions are generally thicker. That means a lot, especially when you're working with thresholds. They take all that use and abuse, and you want something that will be as robust as possible. And I think that if you take the time to compare their extrusion thickness with others, you'll find that they are generally thicker, and it comes through in the quality of the product, in my opinion. If you have any questions on the Reese, their part number DB590AP, door bottom, or any other Reese product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.